Hey everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna do crock pot creamy chicken Parmesan soup. It's kind of a gloomy day outside. We're supposed to have storms all day here in Texas, and I was supposed to go to Oklahoma, but I'm not because of the storms. We're not driving in it. So I'll just have to take a train up there, visit a week, go to the dentist for a couple of days up there, and then come back home. If they can do without me that long. I don't know. That's a touchy situation. Anyway, we have had our washer go out. We had to get a new washer this week. This has been a busy week. Got our washer gone out this week. We got a new one. We hooked it up and found out we have a pipe that is either stopped up or it's not taking the power of the water dispense, and it's just going everywhere. So that's been the fun this week, and so I'm going to flip y'all around and show y'all what we are going to use for it. We're going to make our own Italian seasoning because I'm out of it, so I'm going to make my own. Okay, so what we're going to need is salt, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Okay, now this is where I'm going to make my Italian seasonings. We're going to do oregano, thyme, basil, chopped chives. We're going to mix that together and put a teaspoon of each together to make what I need to make. We're going to make chicken broth. We have chicken broth, spinach, chicken breast tenderloins, and mild diced tomatoes.
It's only a smart business move
now,
to keep that
I've been baking all
in
afternoon.
Texas and the economy growing in Texas.
And now we're going to, well, y'all got
Gary,
fogged up.
job in the economy. Let it happen. Come on,
We're going to
Texas.
finish our soup.
Legalize it.
Okay, so anyway, I lost some footage in this, and what I did in here is I put 4 cups of chicken broth, my chicken, my Italian seasoning, and my diced tomatoes, and I cooked it for about 4 hours on high. And then we are going to add the other stuff. And I think I tell y'all what that is, but I'm not really sure. I don't know what happened to the other. I probably didn't even turn the camera on when I was putting it together. That's how tired I was. It's been a busy, busy week that week. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm cutting open this salad, and what I'm going to do is just toss it in there because I'm going to let it cook down. You're going to cook it till it's wilted. I cooked mine a little bit longer, but yeah, you just kind of throw a couple of handfuls, however much spinach you want in there, just toss it. I mean, it's not going to hurt nothing.
Beautiful and made it something cool. That's all that I get from you. You're so delusional.
You think they would notice if I left that plastic in there? Yeah, probably so.
Been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around. Got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you. I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Breaking free. Finally, I paid my dues. Now you play the blue.
Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream to this, and then I'm going to add my other ingredients you'll see here in a minute. And I did fix rice. You can put cooked al dente like Ozzolo or the little rigatini, any kind of pasta that you want in here. And you put about a cup of pasta to a cup and a half, and then you let that cook down. But actually you cook the pasta till it's al dente, and then you add it to your soup once you've cooked it. So that's just kind of FYI, I used rice. Okay, so now it says 4 to 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese. I didn't have the shredded Parmesan cheese because Renee couldn't find it when she went to the store, so she got this shredded. No. Yeah. Not not grated, but shredded. That's it. So anyway, but she she bought the Parmesan for me, and I put probably all but maybe a third of the bag in, or a fourth of the bag in. And you could put as much as you want. It doesn't matter, because this is going to thicken up a little bit.
To you.
So now we're going to cook this for about 30 minutes. We're going to add our rice. This is where you will add your noodles if you want noodles. We actually liked it with the rice. It was like a little bit more heartier, I guess you could say. It wasn't, because I did not have any gluten-free noodles. So I had egg noodles, but I didn't want to put egg noodles in it. So I just made the rice, because Robert was like, yeah, let's just do rice in it. So that's what I did, and it was really good. Okay, so here I'm going to taste the soup, and I'm just going to let y'all know it's really, really good. Y'all need to try it. Well, my friends, that is our chicken Parmesan soup. I put rice in it instead of noodles. You could put orzo. I guess it's called orzoli, something like that. You can put any kind of noodle you want to in it. We did rice because I'm on a journey and I don't have any gluten-free bonza noodles, so we just do with what we got. Anyway, so y'all have a good night, day, whatever it is, and we'll see you later. Bye.